Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new user account on Instagram. So creating a new user account on Instagram is very simple. Just open up Instagram app, then click on sign up with phone or email. Now here you have two options. If you want to create Instagram account with your phone, type here your phone number. Or if you want to create your Instagram account with your email, go to email section and type here your email. Click on next. Now check the verification code on your mobile which you provided here. Enter your verification code and click on next. Now add here your full name and click on next. Enter strong password and click on next. Set up your date of birth. Now click on next. Type here your username and click on next. So guys, as you can see that our new Instagram account has been created. This is how you can create a new user account for Instagram. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.